Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Katrina Coulter and welcome to part one of my series on superfoods. So this series is to introduce to you foods that have multiple health benefits and you really should have as a regular staple in your diet. And they're also foods that I consider delicious, and so I'm excited to eat. So stay tuned to find out why I'm excited about these foods. So today's topic is going to be about one of my very favorite superfoods, garlic, also known as sativum allium. And it's a plant that's been around for thousands of years and recognized for its medicinal purposes for the past 5,000 years in multiple ancient civilizations around the world, including the ancient Egyptians, Chinese, Indian, and Greeks. Garlic was fed to the Olympic athletes to enhance their performance, and it was fed to the builders of the pyramids to keep them healthy. Garlic's also even been used as a form of currency and was buried with the pharaohs to ward off evil spirits in the afterlife. So garlic has a very rich history and a very rich flavor, and it's a food that I try to incorporate into my diet every day. So let's get into the health benefits of garlic. Garlic's magical powers or health benefits come from these organosulfates. So the main one that exists in garlic is called Allium, and this is the majority of it found in fresh and in dried garlic. And then when you mince, chop, chew, or crush the garlic, the Allium turns into allicin. And allicin is likely the strongest of these organosulfur compounds and exerts the most immunomodulatory and antiviral effects. So let me tell you about the top 5 health benefits of garlic. Number 1, garlic is low in calories and rich in minerals and nutrients and fiber. It contains a high amount of vitamin C, vitamins B1 and B6, and vitamin A. And in addition to that, it has several minerals that are very helpful in metabolic processes in the body. Health benefit number 2, garlic has antiviral and antibacterial properties. These properties have been known for thousands of years by ancient physicians. Garlic has been used to treat a variety of ailments, from respiratory to gastrointestinal, to viral and bacterial outbreaks, to ear infections. So more recently in the modern scientific era, we have found that allicin, that unstable compound that you get when you chew or chop or mince garlic, seems to have the most antiviral activity. And the way it works is that it inhibits viral entry into the cells. It also inhibits viral RNA polymerase and reverse transcriptase. And so studies have reported some activity against so many viruses that we encounter. These include adenovirus, coronavirus, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus, dengue, hepatitis A, Coxsackie virus, enteroviruses, and there's even report of activity against human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. So I'm not telling you to take garlic instead of an antiviral that has been prescribed by your medical doctor. But what I am giving you is a tip on how you can increase your immune system and hopefully prevent your susceptibility to these viruses. Health benefit number 3, garlic is great for your gut. So garlic contains a high amount of a prebiotic soluble fiber called inulin. Inulin is what you really want to get into your gut to make it as healthy as possible. So inulin is something that our good gut bacteria love and feed on, and garlic has a lot of it. So we feed our good gut bacteria, and these bacteria help enhance our immune system by training it, or that immunomodulatory effect. This soluble fiber also eases constipation and reduces cholesterol absorption. So it can help with weight loss and fat metabolism, and it can also help lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. Win-win. And then another effect that is a little bit surprising but related to your gut bacteria is it's found to reduce depression. Now, maybe that's because it eases constipation. Actually, it's related to a specific type of bacteria that are found in more overweight people that it helps downregulate, and these seem to contribute to depression. So in addition to having great gut health, you can also improve your mood with garlic. Number 4 health benefit, garlic is an antioxidant. So an antioxidant is a compound that runs around and scavenges for free radicals. And free radicals are cells that have lost one of their electrons in their outer shell. And so they're unstable. And so they're looking to go steal one from somewhere else. And they can steal them or affect DNA and damage that, and also cause inflammation. So garlic contains compounds that are antioxidant. Those help neutralize these free radicals. And so that decreases inflammation and decreases inflammatory disorders such as autoimmune conditions, or it may help prevent dementia or even cancer. And specifically, we found that people who eat a lot of garlic have lower rates of gastrointestinal and stomach cancers. Health benefit number 5. Garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure. Now, will this take the place of a blood pressure pill? Maybe not, but if you're borderline, this could definitely help manage that blood pressure along with exercise and other health practices, and maybe help someone avoid getting on a blood pressure pill. All right. Side note, disclaimer, an effect of garlic that you certainly should be aware of, and you should let your doctor know if you consume high amounts of garlic or are taking a garlic supplement. Garlic can impair the body's ability to clot. And so this can compound with blood thinning medications, and is something certainly to think about if you're going into a procedure or surgery where bleeding is involved. You want to have this discussion with your doctor or surgeon. So question to you, what are your favorite garlic recipes? Please post in the comments how you introduce garlic or keep garlic as a regular staple in your diet. I prefer to eat garlic in its raw form, if possible. I love that spicy, pungent flavor, but many don't like it. So you can also cook it in foods, which reduces the pungency a little bit and adds such a nice savory flavor to foods. But you do lose some of those beneficial allicin compounds. There's also garlic powder, which you can find in any grocery store and add it to your food that way. And then there are garlic supplements, which also is an option if you just hate the taste of garlic. But I recommend you get it in the whole food form so that you get that benefit of that inulin fiber and really get those good gut benefits. All right, well, hopefully I have made you love garlic as much as I love garlic and be thinking about great ways to introduce it into your diet. If you found this beneficial, please share this video with a friend and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the remainder videos in this series on superfoods.